I'm Mary Stuart King, an associate at Nexsen Pruet working in employment and labor law. In this video, I want to talk specifically to the next steps an employed physician should take when their contract is terminated. There are several considerations that are important to ensure you can move forward into your next opportunity without subjecting yourself to any violations of the prior contract. First, do you have tail coverage? And more importantly, do you have tail coverage financial obligations? Some contracts stipulate that the employer and physician will split the cost of tail coverage 50-50, regardless of whether it is with cause or without cause termination of contract. However, it is common for with cause contracts to require the physician to pay and without cause contracts to state that the employer will pay. Do you have non-compete provisions? Keep in mind that you are more than likely still bound under these provisions. The employee is bound for the agreed upon time period unless the employer terminates the employee in breach of its obligations under the contract. Do you have post-termination compensation? This could be in the form of a severance package or extended benefits to physicians who are fired without cause. In the event there are issues concerning separation not addressed in the physician's original contract, the employer and the physician can enter a separation agreement to protect their interests. A separation agreement should include details regarding unused paid time off, severance pay, and benefits packages. It should also include information about restrictive covenants and all things that will come to an end, such as hospital privileges or medical staff privileges. Separation agreements should also detail the returning of employer-owned property, the need to complete patient records, and patient notification. If your employment agreement does not address this, it could become an issue of who owns the records. Generally, it is the employer who retains these records, but a separation agreement can make this clear. As experienced labor and employment attorneys, Nexsen Pruet is well positioned to assist physicians in evaluating their employment agreement as well as their separation agreement to ensure fair contracts for all parties.